Hey, what's up everybody? It's another Saturday and another walk through the garden. Our Mizuna is pretty much getting ready to be harvested completely. Our bok choy and our daikon are doing well. We planted more lettuce here, but nothing's coming up. I don't know if it's a seed or what. Don't understand why the lettuce is not coming up. So we're gonna have a lot of Mizuna seeds. We've been picking them and drying them. So there's more daikon, bok choy, and this is Chinese lettuce. This is coming up. Interesting. But our black-seeded Simpson is not. So we're gonna be pulling more leaves off there, and hopefully we'll get some seeds off our Chinese lettuce. Our beds over here are doing really well. Our potatoes, our corn doesn't seem to be growing very high. Beans doing well. Gonna make another couple beds this side this weekend. Got some onions and what else do we get? Oh, garlic that we're gonna plant, some bulbs. It's a sunny day today. Doesn't look like it's been raining much. Can tell by this. Okay, we're trying to train our Lilikoi, and every time we move it, you know, parts of it dies. But looks like it's going all right. Trying to get it to come this way now. No new fruit. How are our bags doing here? Tomatoes are coming up. Cucumbers doing okay. The zucchini didn't sprout yet. Our zucchini plants here. The leaves are not looking good. No new zucchini. They got some huge ones. Let's see how this side's going. Oh yay, flowers. Flowers on our lettuce, so we should have seeds soon. So the seeds will be just like right in here. Our chayote is doing really well. I think we're gonna have to figure a way to extend this out. Didn't think it was gonna get so big. Chinese lettuce is doing really well. Hey, we have some peppers. So we're gonna be harvesting this stalk. That's the delicious part. Kind of running out of carrots. Oh, what happened to our eggplant plant? Okay, these grow bags are a failure. Don't know what's wrong with those. I'm gonna pick a couple peppers there. Oh, there was a big eggplant. Oh, something ate it. Check that out. Sadness. Something's eating the eggplant. I think it's the birds. The pheasants. But they don't like these peppers. We'll harvest some peppers. Our macadamia nut trees are doing good. Red lettuce. Pretty much the last of our black-seeded Simpson. Hopefully we'll get some nice flowers pretty soon. We're gonna run out of lettuce. Well, I don't know why the other ones didn't sprout. We have a new idea of how we're gonna do that. So anyway, we're gonna make a couple beds. Oh, I forgot to check the carrots. Our flower bed's doing great. Our carrot bed only has like small things coming up. So we made another one here. And check this out, this thing sprouted already. What the heck? So this has beets and onions. Who knows how all this works? Well, anyway, time to get to work. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.